Are you in search of high quality IEMs that won't break the bank? Then stay tuned as we check out the SIMGOT EW100P, a budget friendly pair of IEMs that promises to deliver exceptional build and sound quality. SIMGOT is a brand known for producing high-quality in-ear monitors that typically fall within the mid-range price point. However, they have not forgotten about those who are on a budget. Recently, they have released the new EW100P, which retails for just over $19 at linsol.com. You can find an unaffiliated link in the description below. Despite its modest price tag, the SIMGOT EW100P does not skimp on features. You get dual-layer liquid crystal polymer diaphragms, an innovative cavity design, and dynamic driver field positioning. These are promising specs for an in-ear monitor in this price range. If you're curious about how these new IEMs perform, you're in the right place. In this video review we'll be taking a close look at the SIMGOT EW100P and see what they have to offer. So let's dive in and find out. The SIMGOT EW100P features a 10mm high-performance dual-cavity dynamic driver configuration that is supposed to deliver an immersive and detailed audio experience. The effective frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz covers the common audible spectrum of sound. They feature a 0.78mm 2-pin connector and come with a detachable silver foil shielded copper cable that feels of adequate quality. Additionally, these IEMs are Hi-Res audio certified, guaranteeing high-resolution audio performance that meets the most demanding industry standards. Overall, the build quality exceeds the price standard and they fit comfortably in my ears. The SIMGOT EW100P offers a neutral and mid-range full sound signature that is well suited for monitoring. The bass is relatively deep and impactful but lacks quantity, while the mid-range is neutral and balanced with a slightly stronger presence. This gives the vocal image a larger feel and enhances the overall three-dimensionality of a song. The highs are tuned for forward localization with a high consistency in sound image and natural expression of overtones. Cymbal crashes have a light emphasis on glare, but lack subtlety and have low luminescence, making them easy on the ears. Despite its many pros, there are a couple of cons to be aware of when it comes to the SIMGOT EW100P. Firstly, the high frequency extension is lacking, which means that it may not be able to reproduce the full range of some music genres. And secondly, some users may find that there is a slight lack of detail in the sound. However, the pros of the SIMGOT EW100P far outweigh the cons. The texture is excellent, the original sound fidelity is impressive, and the resolution is superb. The highs are smooth and well damped, and there's a good focus on the mid-range. The sound balance is also noteworthy and the speaker-like forward localization is a unique and interesting feature. Overall, the SIMGOT EW100P provides a balanced and mid-range full sound signature that is great for audiophiles on a budget. When it comes to comparing sub-$20 IEMs, the KB Ear Storm is one option that immediately comes to mind. Both the SIMGOT EW100P and KB Ear Storm offer good performance within their price range. If you prefer a sound signature with a more generous mid-range and a smoother presentation, then the SIMGOT EW100P may be the better choice for you. On the other hand, if detail is your priority, the KB Ear Storm has a slight edge. Overall, the SIMGOT EW100P boasts excellent texture, original sound fidelity, resolution and well-damped highs, which make it a more pleasant listening experience for some users. In conclusion, the SIMGOT EW100P stands out for its well-balanced sound that has a speaker-like forward localization. Its audio specifications are impressive, with great sound image consistency, transparency and resolution. Moreover, its build quality and design are also excellent, making it an attractive choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly IEM with premium features.